My definition of manufacturing is the building and the process of building and making anything. Manufacturing Day is a great opportunity for students like me to just open their eyes to all of the great things that it can provide to us students.
Manufacturing Day, to me, means that there are opportunities for young adults to do something that can be really satisfying. Working with their hands, making something, having a physical product at the end of the day that they made, but not having to go to college to do it. I went to Gonzaga University, and it was probably not the right choice for me. I was made to do this kind of work where I'm making something, I'm building things, I'm creating, but you don't have to go to college to have a really great career.
To me, Manufacturing Day is the appreciation of all the hard work and labor that goes into making our country what it is and our world. I feel like the world would not run in the state that it is without our manufacturing.
You know, for us at the Chamber, Manufacturing Day was such a natural fit with our presence within the sector, already celebrating workforce development through our scholarship program. We really saw that the community didn't have as strong of an awareness of what we actually have when it comes to that sector here in our market. And so whether it be some of our smallest job shops to some of our largest manufacturers, there wasn't a household name that readily stood out. And so we wanted to help make that commonplace within our community here.
It was really fun to see all the kids come through. It was encouraging to me. There were 40 kids here today, I think. There are that many kids just in the valley who want to do this kind of work and who are excited about making things and excited about working as part of a team to manufacture, to produce, to be part of a company that is contributing to Spokane Valley. That was really exciting.
Two really cool things that jumped out to me today on our tours was a press brake. It had an automated system that could tell the machine and the machinist like how far to bend the sheet metal and stuff. It would have a preset distance and it would be perfect exactly the same time as long as you put it in. So there's no manual input on it. And it was really cool to see something like that. And the second thing that really stood out to me was when we were at Lynch Northwest, we saw some really cool anodizing of titanium. It was just a really neat process. I've never seen that before. It was cool to see how just electricity could make the titanium a completely different color, like bright pink or green, which is just really cool.
You know, for me, Manufacturing Day allows us the opportunity to celebrate the innovation and craftsmanship that goes into these products coming out of our region. It's always one of the coolest things as you're moving about the country when you look up and you realize that, hey, I know exactly where that thing was made, and that was made in the Spokane Valley. That's a really unique experience, and one that if you're not aware of the sector and not aware of what's coming out of Spokane as a region, it's something that you'll never be able to feel the pride and understand the value at which these employees and these businesses are creating that comes right out of our home here.